Hello and good evening. Welcome back to another tutorial. This time I'm going to be showing us an interesting feature we recently installed recently developed and added to the system. It is I will describe it as two-in-one module. Now, and it's under the service module where I call the ad service. I'm going to take this tutorial as using the mobile version, but just to show us the screen, the interface on the desktop. I had to start first with the desktop screen and clicking on the menu. Okay, let me show us again. First, I went to services and then add service inflow. Okay, so this is how it looks on the using the desktop screen. But now I'm going to turn it back to the mobile screen, which is this one, right? Which is this. And this is where I'm going to run the tutorial. Okay. This is where I'm going to run the tutorial. Okay. So the essence of this is to enable you capture your customers' payment for the services you have rendered to them, and is developed or a prototype using your manual process. In your manual process, you write the name, the phone number of the customer, and all the details. Okay, so the same has been prototyped here. So in this case, it's assumed you already have the phone number of the customer in your own account, right? But if you don't, then you click on add new customer, which is this one, and it'll open up this page where you add the customer's detail, basically the name and the phone number. These are the two compulsory fields here. Everything here is optional. Okay, so I close this, and then so here is assume I have my customer's detail, right? I have my customers' numbers here, right? So this is what I'm going to use for the purpose of this demonstration. Now, I'm also going to add a phone number that in case the customer refuses to give you his or her phone number, you can use what we call the walk-in customer. So walk-in customer will be a universal number such that each time you select it, then it will go in there. You can repeat it on limited time, so you don't waste your time begging a customer for his or her number. Okay, so for this purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use this number here. Okay, then I click on this button. It gives me the customer's name and phone number, and then I click add payment. Okay, now this is the customer's name, this is the customer's number. Let's say assume this is the service I render to the customer. I put that in there. So this is a sample service. Then say it's under initial consultation, and the amount is you must enter the amount. It's not something because it's number. So now, assuming again, this same customer, you offered 2 or 3 different services to the customer, you don't need to click on add record. So all you need to do is click on add more rows. What I mean here is, for example, just in case you did makeup, and then you did nail, and then you did massage, right? These are 3 different services. You did makeup, you did nail, and then you did massage, irrespective of when you did which, right? So in this case now, I've entered the first one, maybe makeup. Then I'll click on add more row. So I'm adding this, I'm clicking on this. Sorry for that, don't know how it happened. So this click here, and is the second service. Okay, So I'll call it nail. Call the first one makeup, right? Makeup, then nail. It doesn't matter what it is. This is just for demonstration purpose. And then say the customer paid 2,000 for this, and quantity. Okay, quantity here I could just say 2. It doesn't matter. It might be just 1. Then the last one is massage, right? Massage. How do you spell massage right now? Massage, right? Hope I'm correct with that spelling. Then you choose the subtype here. I'm sure you understand the subtype here. Subtype is the type where massage comes in. Sorry, it comes under. Okay. Then you enter the cost. So I'm using I'm using 1, 2, and 3 here so that at the end we'll be able to know that these are the figures we entered. Okay, so I'm done with my 3 different services, right? Remember, you offer the customer 3 different services. This is not about sales, this is about services, right? Then when you're done, you go up now and click add record. At this point, the record you added to the customer has been inputted into the system. Then finally, you now say, okay, how did this other page will show, right, where you add remarks and a few other stuff. This is the total of all that the customer paid. Now, how did the customer pay? Cash or POS, check, whatever one you select. Payment status, did they pay full or part, whichever one. And then date, the service was rendered, say today. And then whatever note you have, maybe whatever, you can explain the payment, you can explain the service, right? And then you click on the button and boom, it's gone. Now you are done entering that service. You can choose to do something else, but from a customer, we got this, where a little survey is added just to help increase your awareness of your business, right? Or do a partial survey of your business, how customers know you, how customers get to know you, and what area of your publicity you need to increase to enhance your public awareness, right? So here, these first 6 boxes here denote the popular, the first 5 denote the popular social media platforms. So you ask the customer, okay, how did you hear about us? Is it through Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or Twitter or YouTube or others? Now, this first one, the customer can choose all or a few or even one. Now, in this case, I'm going to choose all. I'm doing this because I'm going to show us something at the end of the video. I'm choosing all here, all the options, right? But everything after this, you only have the option of choosing one, right? Okay, so is it through search engine? Okay, yes or no. Is it through online adverts? No. Is it through word of mouth? Either yes or no. I will choose yes. Remember, it can only be it can even be only one. It can even be only one. The system will also allow you to submit. So it doesn't mean that you must select all if the customer says he got to know you through one, right? So whichever one the customer selects, that is the only one the system will submit. So, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm selecting all. So is it in-person event or trade shows? No. Print media such as magazines, newspaper? No. Referral? Yes. No. If the customer is an existing customer, this always yes. If it's a new customer, maybe he has never been there before. Maybe in the course of passing by, he saw the signage. He can walk in. So here, yes. Order, yes. Now, if order, select how. Okay. So here I can just add maybe LinkedIn, right? And that's it. And I will submit. Done. Now, your submission is complete, right? Your submission is complete. So if we look at the system here, we'll see all that the customer did. No, the first one was makeup, remember? The second one was massage, and the second one was nail, and then the third one was massage. You see, so the system has categorized them for you, right? Please do not overlook all of this customization because I'm using a complete demo platform. In your own case, all of this will be organized preferably, and you will know what to choose. But what I'm just showing you here is that everything is organized. Now, for nail, it goes under the nail category. For makeup, it comes under the makeup category. And then for massage, it comes under the massage category. Now, you can click on this button here to see the detail. How much did the customer pay? 2,000. How many was the quantity? 2. So this then give you 4. Now for the makeup, okay, makeup was the first one. Quantity was 1, and customer paid 1,000 naira, and that's why you're having 1,000 naira. Then the last one, which is massage, was 3. Remember, it can even be 1, but like I said, this is demonstration. There's 3, and each cost 3,000. Hence, you have 9,000, right? Hence, you have 9,000. Now, your entries have been made. Now, there's something else I want to show you. Remember, the last thing we did there was what? Awareness, which is like a survey. Now, to see that, you come to settings. You see awareness analysis. Right? So, awareness analysis. Now, I did the first one before. That was what I shared with us on the WhatsApp. Now, for those who probably will be hearing this after this time, just know that I've done something earlier and I've shared in a WhatsApp group where some of our customers are. Now, I'm showing this again. Now, you are seeing wherever you see 25, you know that the 25 was part of what I did before. Initially, it was 50, but because this second one, it has dropped to 25, which is Facebook and Instagram. The rest are 12%, right? So you now know which area to focus more when it comes to social media, right? So if you had more on Facebook, that means increase your promotion or your publicity on Facebook. If it was more on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or Twitter, whatever it is, you increase it. Now, other platforms here are also this. And then if you come down here, you see the total number of customers that have seen you on these very platforms or medias. And then the rest, this same applicable to this as well. Okay? So, this is basically how to capture your sales. Your service entries to your customers. I hope this makes sense. Thank you and remain blessed.